Now, what is broadband or baseband? We have two ways to send analog and digital signals down a wire: broadband and baseband. You have used these terms while you're referring to the internet, that is, broadband connection or a baseband connection. We hear the term broadband a lot these days because that is pretty much what everyone uses at home, right? The internet. It allows us to have both our analog voice and digital data carried on the same network. That is why the term broadband is used. It allows a broad variety of signals to carry on the same network. So, if anyone asks you the definition of what is a broadband network, you should be able to answer to them. Broadband allows us to send multiple frequencies of different signals on the same wire at the same time, called as frequency division multiplexing. It also allows us to send both analog and digital signals at the same time. Now, baseband is what all the local area networks use. This is where all the bandwidth of the physical media is used only by one signal. The best example of a local area network using baseband is Ethernet. Ethernet uses only one digital signal at a time, and it requires all the available bandwidth. If multiple signals are sent from different hosts at the same time, we get collisions. Same with wireless, except that uses only analog signaling. Now, bit rates versus baud rates. These small terms are very important in networking because when you go on to become a network administrator or a network engineer, you're supposed to remember these basic terms which are used in day-to-day life. Now, bitrate is a measure of number of data bits, that is zeros and ones, transmitted in 1 second in either a digital or analog signal. Why I have highlighted the word bits is because many people confuse bit rate with number of data bytes transferred, but it's not a data bytes, it's data bits, that is individual zeros and ones. For example, roughly let's say 56,000 bits per second means 56,000 zeros or 56,000 ones can be transmitted in 1 second, which we simply refer to as BPS. In the 1970s and 1980s, we used the term baud rate a lot, but it was replaced with bit rate, that is BPS, because bit rate is more accurate than baud rate. Now, baud rate was a term of measurement named after a French engineer. I'll remember his name. Jean-Maurice Emile Baudot, because he used it to measure the speed of the telegraph transmissions. One baud is one electronic state change per second. For example, from 0.2 volts to 3 volts or from binary 0 to 1. However, since a single state change can involve more than one single bit of data, the bit rate, that is the BPS unit of measurement, has replaced it as more accurate definition of how much data you are transmitting or receiving. So if you are using 1 gigabyte per second, which means you are transmitting, calculate on your own. Now in the next lecture, we will see the basics of network, which I hope you all of them know, which is the binary to decimal conversion and decimal to hexadecimal conversion and vice versa, and combination of all such things.